With the kids home from school and many of them playing summer sports, fueling their bodies nutritionally will help them perform better. That's the goal of a new sports nutrition class at the KC Culinary Center, and it's not just for kids. Fox 4's Carey Wickersham joins us from the newest location on the KC Culinary Center in Briarcliff.
Yeah, good morning. We're at the beautiful new Briarcliff Culinary Center up here, newly opened in March with Chef Gary Hild, and he's teaching a class on sports nutrition for the everyday athlete. You are one. What should we be eating, Gary?
Lots of protein and balance it with carbs and make sure we have some good healthy fats on a daily basis, 3 times at least.
All right.
So
what are we cooking?
We're gonna make, this is steelhead trout.
Okay.
This can be rainbow trout, but it has to be a thin fish type of trout.
Okay.
What I did with this is I put a touch of salt and pepper on it.
Got the kosher salt, grinding your own pepper here.
Always.
Yeah.
Give it a little brush, and this is half mayonnaise, half Dijon.
Okay. Just enough to cover the whole
Just
thing.
You're gonna put that on there like that. Move this to the side.
Your pan, by the way, is heating up at medium-high heat on your stove.
It is. This is a combination of almonds and hempseed. Hempseed is very good plant-based protein, and of course, goes without saying, so are almonds.
I'm smelling a little lemon.
There's a little lemon peel that I put in here with the almonds and the hempseed.
Okay,
yes.
great.
We got fish, we got lemon.
Okay.
Avocado oil. Okay.
And we use that, you taught me this, instead of olive oil.
This has a higher smoke point, so.
Can I put it in this one?
You sure can.
Okay, let me put it in this one. You keep going.
Okay. So you kind of see the fat shimmer a little bit, or it'll separate, that type of thing. And then we're gonna put, how should we tell if it's hot enough? Just touch the fish to one side right there. We need a little bit more heat.
A little more sizzle. Should I turn it up?
Turn it up to at least over 400.
Okay.
The Everyday Athlete Cookbook has some beautiful stuff in it, and I've used for the breakfast item that we just did. The recipe came from there. This particular recipe, this comes from me.
And this has got plenty of protein in it. It's going to fuel you. What would you serve with this?
Brown rice pilaf, mixed in maybe with some quinoa.
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, mom's homemade mashed potatoes wouldn't hurt a bit either. You know, that type of thing.
So are these the toppings right here, or what are you going to do with this?
This is my added nutrition with jalapeno peppers and Campari tomatoes. Have you ever had Campari tomatoes?
I've seen them,
Yeah.
so yeah.
So what we did with these big tomatoes is I cut them in half, squeezed the seeds out, and then I quartered them up again.
You're big on squeezing the seeds out too,
Can't
aren't you?
stand seeds.
Yeah. What kind of people would like your sports nutrition class?
It can be for mowing the lawn, chasing your grandchild, to riding a bike, to running your 5 miles, with your buddies the next morning. If you get up in the morning and you're not a couch potato and you're getting out there every day to go walk, eat 3 squares a day that are super healthy with the proper amount of protein, the proper amount of carbs, and of course, the proper amount of good fat.
Okay, to sign up for these classes, these in particular are going to be at the Overland Park location, and you can go to their website, and their website is kcculinarycenter.com. Let's plate them, and then I'll send it back to you guys. You guys can find the recipe online at fox4kc.com.